All right, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. We're doing a game today here, so let me switch right here. We're gonna be playing this game, and I'm excited about it. So I'm playing as white, and let's start already. I'm playing a guy named William Boo, 1190. So this guy is pretty good, probably. So all right, and we're starting right here. We starting. Hmm. Feel like I'm messing it up already. Sometimes some of these guys like to develop a lot, and typically that's not my technique. But there's a lot of guys that like to like really build a defense, and then as they build that defense, they want to actually after they're done doing it, they want to, like, I don't know, attack or something like that. If I take this with the G5, I take this knight right here, it's gonna come and replace it right here. I don't really want to take this. What I want to do is kind of come forward with my pawn. So now I can control the C6 setup right here. So let's see. Start developing some of these pieces right here. I'll make castle a long way. Maybe, maybe not. Who knows? Hmm. Okay. Hmm. I try to bring my queen to D2 and kind of infiltrate this way if I can. I don't think, kind of doing a little bit of dancing around with this knight right here. Hate it. Let's see what happened. I got this one. Oh, yeah, he's bring the queen forward. I'm gonna try to castle. I still got this three pieces back here just chilling there, not doing anything. So, by the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate when you guys do that. Really, really fantastic when you guys do that. Thank you so much. So let's try to take this knight at the E3, kind of bring it some way around here, and then kind of push forward with my bishop. Let's see if that works out. I don't know. Okay, he came out. If I come right here with my knight, he take. All right, we're gonna come back here. Let's see what happens here. Hmm. Pushing forward, baby. We're pushing forward. Usually, when you cast on one side, or at least what I like to do, you see what he's doing right here? He's coming forward as well. So at this point, it's going to be a race. Who's going to make it there first? Hmm. So I'm going to try to break this pawn right here, which I kind of had an idea he was going to do that. We're going to come here. Maybe he wants to sacrifice that rook. Yeah, he did want to sacrifice the rook. Now he's coming this way, but I'm coming this way. Maybe he takes it. Okay. He's attacking. I'm moving forward. Okay. I'm coming here. Ooh, check. That's exactly what I want him to come. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know if that's exactly. I can't take this. The nice there. What a mess. All right, let's see what happens. Man, this game has been a little sucky. I feel like I didn't develop some of the pieces right here. The F1, G1. So sometimes it's not that good to be kind of like stalking here. So if I get lucky, okay, so he hang that he's gonna come here. He's not doing much. All right, let's see here. Hmm. Block. He needs to get that queen out. If he gets that queen out of here and brings it down, I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble if he does that. If he makes a mistake, he went down that way. Okay, let's see. At this point, man. Uh-huh. Here, he take, I take, he take, I take. All right, let's see what happens here. He definitely got a better defense than me. His king is protected. I'm kind of like in the open here, and it's okay. It's a lot of learning that is going on right now, but this knight, the powerful knight, it's like messing me up. All right, so he went that way. So if I take, maybe he takes, maybe. If it doesn't, I'm gonna try to bring my queen right here to g5. Not my queen, I'm sorry, my knight, and give him a check. But the rook is kind of hanging right there. Yeah, this game is so messed up, man. What a crappy game. I didn't realize the bishop was back here. Wow, man. I'm gonna have to retreat like a potato. Yeah, it's going downhill from here. This guy annihilated me. Here I am thinking that I got him. But no, definitely no. Now we're going to do a little bit of dancing around here. Let's see what happens. We're going to play hard into the last moment, people. We're going to play hard into the last moment. We're not giving up. Little mistake could happen, and next thing you know, we take the advantage. You never know. You definitely never know. Hmm. How is he going to take me out? Okay, he's trading right now, which it makes sense. It's winning. I'm going to go down this way. Hmm. Actually, I just thought about that. Trading the queen is not a good idea. All right. Mm-hmm. Okay. He got this game. He got this game big time. I mean, he got one palm. That's it. There we go. Oh my gosh! You gotta be kidding me. Gotta fight for my life. Can I make it? All right, I'm done. This is over, people. This is over. Let's give him the pleasure to let him kill me, because a lot of times people just stop. There we go. Give him the honor to let you take you out. I appreciate that. Stay tuned. We got more videos coming up, and as always, gotta stay in control.